Looking for cheap, classic cars with real conditions? Here are 10 budget classics, some clean, some projects, all honest. Car 1, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. $7,500, Columbus, Ohio. This 1979 Chevrolet Camaro comes with around 100,000 miles and a 5.0-liter V8 paired to an automatic transmission. The car runs, drives, and stops, but it is clearly a project vehicle that still needs mechanical and cosmetic work. The seller mentions issues with the power steering, carburetor, and suspension, along with the need for bodywork and paint. On the positive side, several parts have already been replaced, including the fuel pump, battery, starter, and brake booster. The interior is also described as clean and partially restored. Overall, this is a running project with a solid starting point. Car 2, 1978 Chevrolet Corvette. $7,500, Cincinnati, Ohio. This 1978 Chevrolet Corvette is presented in red with a black interior and comes with an automatic transmission. The listing states that the car has no major issues or significant damage, although detailed information about mileage and condition is limited. Being sold through a dealer, the car appears to be in relatively decent condition, at least on the surface. However, with minimal description provided, buyers would need to inspect it carefully to confirm its true mechanical and cosmetic state. It could be a straightforward driver, but details remain unclear. Car 3, 1990 Mazda MX-5 Miata Convertible 2D. $8,000, Canton, Georgia. This 1990 Mazda Miata has 118,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission. The car runs well overall, but currently needs a new battery as it will not restart once turned off without a jump. The seller notes that the car has been reliable in the past and includes upgraded wheels and solid tires. The suspension bushings have also been fully replaced, improving the driving feel. The interior is described as very clean, which adds value. Overall, this is a mostly functional car with a minor issue holding it back. Car 4, 1985 Pontiac Fiero GT. $5,500, Marseilles, Illinois. This 1985 Pontiac Fiero GT shows only 29,400 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The seller describes it as running great and in near like-new condition, with no major issues reported. With only 2 previous owners, the car appears to have been relatively well kept. However, the listing provides limited detail about recent maintenance or potential hidden issues. Overall, it seems like a clean and simple example, but still worth verifying in person. Car 5, 1990 Mazda MX-5 Turbo Project. $3,800, Howell, Michigan. This 1990 Mazda MX-5 has 159,900 miles and features a manual transmission along with aftermarket modifications, including a turbo setup, co-oils, and a full exhaust system. The car runs and drives, but it comes with several issues. The seller mentions rattles, a broken rear window, and a dead battery. It also lacks proper tuning for the turbo, meaning it should not be driven aggressively in its current state. Despite the problems, it includes extra original parts, making it a potential project for someone looking to build a modified Miata on a budget. Car 6, 1981 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe 2D, $5,900, Noblesville, Indiana. This 1981 Chevrolet Corvette has 87,323 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The engine runs strong and has been modified with a carburetor conversion, aftermarket intake, and a mild cam, giving it a noticeable idle sound. However, the car is currently not drivable due to a leaking lower radiator hose and power steering issues. The seller clearly states that this is a full project car. On the positive side, it has received some recent updates, including new tires. Overall, this is a non-running project that will require immediate mechanical attention. Car 7, 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D, $1,500, Lyles, Tennessee. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro has around 140,000 miles and is equipped with a 305 V8 and automatic transmission. The car runs and can move under its own power, but only around a yard due to the lack of working brakes. Condition-wise, it has significant body rust, although the underside is described as solid. The interior is rough, but appears to be complete. It also comes with some desirable factory options like air conditioning and tilt steering. Overall, this is best suited as a parts car or a serious restoration project. Car 8, 1946 Ford Truck Rat Rod build, $6,500, Lebanon, Tennessee. This 1946 Ford truck has been heavily modified into a rat rod, sitting on an S10 chassis and powered by a 350 V8 with an automatic transmission. The truck features a chopped top and a custom-built style throughout. According to the seller, it runs and drives well on the road and includes basic features like a heater and wipers. This is not a restoration project, but rather a finished custom build with a rough, intentional aesthetic. Overall, it's a niche vehicle that appeals to a specific taste. Car 9, 1964 Oldsmobile 88, $3,000, Kalamazoo, Michigan. This 1964 Oldsmobile 88 has around 40,000 miles and is currently running and drivable. However, the seller notes serious structural concerns, as the frame is in very poor condition despite still being usable. The engine runs but develops a ticking noise when warm, suggesting internal wear that may require a rebuild. On the positive side, the interior is in good condition, and the sale includes a donor car with a solid frame. Overall, this is a restoration-focused project with both challenges and potential. Car 10, 1974 Plymouth Duster, $1,000, Gallatin, Tennessee. This 1974 Plymouth Duster is listed primarily as a parts car, although it is mostly complete and still runs when fuel is manually added to the carburetor. It has an automatic transmission and a slant-six engine. The seller has not driven the car and intends to keep certain components, including the front suspension and seats. The rest of the vehicle is available for parts, and it does come with a clean title. Overall, this is not a ready-to-drive car, but rather a donor vehicle for restoration or parts use. That's it for today's list of affordable classic cars. From solid drivers to full projects, each one has its own story. If you enjoy realistic car listings like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.